Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and we're going to discuss one HackerRank easy problem. It's on strings, and the name of the problem is super reduced strings. You can see the problem statement right here. It says in each operation, if there is a pair of adjacent letters, then we have to delete them. Pretty simple. And if we keep on deleting them, if a stage comes that the string becomes empty, then we have to print empty string. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So let's hop over to our IDE. I'm using Eclipse right now. So yeah, alright, so I'm using scanner class. So I'm gonna take from standard input and I'm gonna take a string. User is gonna input a string. We're gonna take one string builder class S, and I'm gonna pass st in that, and this is how we initialize an object of string builder class. So now that's done. So why I'm using string builder class and not like why I'm not using simple string functions is because of the extra functionality that it gives. It's gonna give us a function called delete, which we're going to use in this program. But if you don't want to use string builder class, you can also use s.substring, but you're going to have to add the strings instead of just deleting the letters. So it's kind of complicated, not really, but yeah, it's sort of. So I'm going to iterate a loop from int I equals to 1 till I is 10th, right? Plus I. So why I have taken I equals to 1 is because I'm gonna check ith element and I minus 1th element. Because if I'm gonna check I plus 1th element, then at one point the loop's gonna go out of bound. So index out of bound error is gonna come, which we have to avoid. So we're taking I equals to 1, right? Now I'm gonna use the simple char add I minus 1 equals s dot char add ith position. Now here's the tricky part. If it is equal, what I'm gonna do is s dot delete from I minus 1 to I plus 1. So what s dot delete does is it's gonna, like, if you write s dot delete from 0, 4, so what it's gonna delete the characters at 0th position, the first position, second position, third position, and it's not gonna touch the fourth position. So that's why we're writing it from I minus 1 to I plus 1th, right? Another important thing, we're not gonna leave it, we're not done with this if function, right? If statement. We're not done with this if statement right now. What we're gonna do is if both of these characters are equal, we're gonna give 0 to I. So if you think about it, like, I'm gonna take one example, which is actually a standard input given in the problem, right? So like, if the first two characters get deleted, like right now the string is of, what do you think, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The length of the string is 8. Now when you delete these two characters, the length of the string is gonna change to 6. So the length is gonna keep on changing, and it's only gonna change when we delete the characters. So one point is going to come if we don't initialize I equals to 0 in the if statement, if conditional statement. If we don't initialize I equals to 0, then what's going to happen is at one point the loop's going to go out of bound again, because the length is decreasing but I is going to keep on increasing. So that's why we're going to initialize I equals to 0 for this. Anyways, so I think we're done. Yeah, now we're just going to print if. Right now I'm just checking if this is an empty string or not. So if it is, then I'm just gonna print empty string, right? And if it isn't, then I'm just gonna print s. Perfect. I think we should, let's run this program, and we'll take one input from HackerRank, and the input is this. We're gonna copy this input and we're gonna paste it here, ABD, and I think that was the expected output. Yeah. So thanks a lot, guys. So I'm gonna try and cover as many HackerRank problems as I can. Also, I'm a noob at coding, as you could tell. So subscribe to the channel if you liked the video, and yeah, we're gonna try and be better competitive programmers together. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Peace out.